Welcome to another video, Learning Machines. This video is going to be about how you guys can get a lot of free traffic from all these different methods, such as using Discord and freaking Twitter and freaking Pinterest and TikTok and so many more, okay? So let's dive into this video, put on your happy smiling faces, and let's go, okay? And I promise I will not let you be bored like this little girl with her hero right next to her. She should be excited, but she's not. I won't let you be bored today. So we're 30 days into the month, guys. This is Max Bounty, a big CPA network I use. And just so far this month, that is $116,000 just with free traffic leveraging YouTube. I have a big cash cow YouTube channel. Let me refresh real quick. Boom! As you guys can see, everything's still the same. So, I mean, this is crazy. You know, it's at the end of the month of July here, 30 days in the month. And that is $116,000. And there's a bunch of offers here on Max Bounty that I promote, but they're mainly sweepstake offers and survey offers, and just the offers that pay out like $1 all the way to $3. Offers somewhat like this one, basically, and offers like this one. Okay, and offers like this one, and offers like this one, and offers like this one. And mainly, I'm targeting United States traffic with all the content I make on YouTube. I mean, I could make way more money, guys, the people from other countries that watch my videos here and there, if I could get them to convert on traffic. But at the end of the day, I make a bunch of AdSense revenue too, so it's fine. Let's dive into this video. Hopefully I won't give you too much information where you feel like this grandma who just popped open a freaking Coca-Cola can and it blew up like a volcano with Mentos. It's so funny. Who does that, bro? She put a Mento in there intentionally. Maybe she wanted to make a funny video or something, but that's funny. Okay, let's go. CPA Grip is a massive platform for affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. I know a lot of you guys have CPA Grip accounts. Some of you guys don't have Max Bounty accounts, and that's okay, like Max Bounty here. You know, you can get approved for Max Bounty super quick if you click down in my description, plus CPA Grip. I have a link down below in the YouTube video description here you can check out, okay? And you can get approved super quick for these networks. And there's a lot of money to make on any one of these networks. This network's unique just because this dashboard. I'm sure you've seen it before if you have an account, obviously. But they show how much people are making. And so that should be inspiring for you. But I think more inspiring is how much I'm making. Personally, I think that's more inspiring because I'm literally the person talking to you. It's not like one of these people are making a video talking about how much they're making and what they're doing. Like, I'm literally giving you guys crazy value here. So I hope you see that. I'm sure you do. Let's keep going. So CPA Grip has a lot of offers. You can go to offer tools and then you click my offers, and then you could check out all the offers they've got. You could sort it by the net EPC across all the network, and you could see the top offers instantly. These offers look like they must be the top offers based off of that right there. You could also look at the net conversion rate, so the top conversion rate offers here. This one looks like it's doing really well. This one makes sense it would do well. I think this one's interesting because Privacy Protect with VPN app. I would promote this one pop under traffic personally, if you know what that is. Like, pop under traffic is super cheap. People feel like, oh, what just happened to my computer? Oh no, am I getting hacked? And so when they check out a freaking privacy or a VPN type thing or a antivirus type offer, they usually convert on it. Like, a percentage of people convert on it more than other percentages of people, okay? But you can promote sweepstake offers, all this stuff. And I'll talk about each one of these platforms you can leverage for free traffic and crush it. So you can do a bunch of different countries. Just check out the United States if you want real quick. Just do the email submit offers to start out with. And here you go. There you go. All the offers inside the United States here that you can promote. There's not as much as freaking Max Bounty. Max Bounty has way more offers. I can show you right now. If we go over to search, you can sort by country once again. United States here. No, Ukraine! No, United States, apply, and you'll see a bunch of offers for United States and probably other countries as well. We can sort by EPC and get a good knowledge base here of what works. As you can see, a lot of them are health related, but those are not email type lead offers. If you just want email lead type offers, so if we go to email submits, or if we go to sweepstakes down here or surveys, those are always email submit type offers, and you get paid like $1 to $3 per conversion. And essentially with this offer right here, you get paid on average like 40 cents per click that you send, if it's the right kind of traffic, of course, okay? Now, all these offers I crush it with. I mean, all these offers are super good, guys. I mean, they're so easy to convert. It's like the easiest money in the world. The only difference is you're getting paid $1 to $3 with all these offers. And you're going to want to have a lot of consistent traffic like I have personally with what I do with YouTube. Okay, and I recommend that method because making a bunch of content just adds up over time. And when you link to, and I have a bunch of training how to do this, even inside the Money Accelerator, I teach literally what I'm doing in depth. But I have videos where I kind of talk about, how to make videos, how to set up your YouTube descriptions and what to link to and how to link to things correctly and have the right kind of landing pages and stuff and what to say in your videos. All this matters. If you just make content and then you link to these different offers, you could just link to one offer and double down on that and make a few $100 a day. So let's say you wanted to promote the Walmart gift card offer. It pays out $1.37 currently as of watching this video right now. Let's say you wanted to promote something that pays higher. You do the PayPal gift card, $2 it pays. All these offers you want to promote at the end of the day. If you can't get approved to max bounty, which I'd be surprised if you can't, then you would promote these offers over on CPA group here. Now let's keep going. What's he doing? Oh my gosh, that was funny. Very unexpected. Too bad. Anyway, let's keep going. Alright, guys, do a little dance real quick to pay attention again, and let's dive into this next part of the video. So here is Discord. As you know, Discord is a massive, massive platform. If you were just to look at like how many monthly users there are, there's like 1 billion users on Discord. A lot of stuff that is happening in the world, like anything you think of, like there's always Discord involved with it. I don't know how else to explain it. Like in crypto and NFTs, even that's involved hugely into Discord groups and stuff. So anyway, my idea behind how you can leverage Discord to make money with this is you can join Discord groups that people have, and then you just start DMing people, reaching out to people, having conversations with people. You can start your own Discord group and start inviting people there and have people talking. It's kind of like an email list you could grow as well. You could even talk to people one-on-one if you want to. Discord's a very powerful, big platform with a lot of users, and you can join groups, create groups, talk to people, everything like I'm saying, and just straight up promote these offers to people. And it doesn't matter what niche you're entering into. You can relate it to whatever niche. So let's say it's the PayPal gift card that you're promoting. You go to a Discord group that's like in the pet niche or something, for example, or video games, and you relate it. So you're like, hey guys, do you want to win a $750 PayPal gift card? So you can like feed your pet, or you can buy a bunch of video games, or pay for V-Bucks on Fortnite or something, or have a bunch of money to buy cooking stuff you want. Do more brainstorming than that, and you can relate it to whatever group you're in each time. What the heck? Donald Trump, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? That's so funny. I saw this freaking GIF, and I was like, that is a funny one. Okay, let's keep going. Canva. Canva is a really, really big platform. I believe most of you guys use Canva. I mean, I use Canva for everything, and I make like high 6 figures per month doing a bunch of different campaigns and freaking making thumbnails for YouTube videos and just everything. And Canva is a great site. So when you're making ads or any sort of content, you can leverage Canva, okay, to crush it with. You can make videos using Canva. You can make TikToks and YouTube shorts, and you can even make flyers to pass out locally wherever you live, and promote an offer for wherever you live, okay, what country you're living in. You can make Instagram posts and logos, just everything you want. What the? Freaking monkey. Hopefully you're very turned on like this turtle. No, I was kidding. That'd be weird. Hopefully you guys are hyped like this turtle over here. Okay, that's a dumb joke. That's a dumb joke. What should I say to this one? So here is Twitter, and I don't even like to use Twitter that much, but I do have to say Twitter is a huge platform. If you look right here, you can straight up see, Twitter has like 6 billion users. Now, how do you promote with Twitter? How you promote with Twitter is very, very simple. Listen very, very closely here. You can essentially make your own Twitter account and start posting basically ads. You could call it ads, or just letting people know they can win different things. And you need to make sure when you're doing any one of these traffic sources like Discord or Twitter or anything, you want to make a landing page in between. So between the link and where you're sending traffic from. Okay, so you're going to send people to your ClickFunnels landing page, or you can send people to a Google Sites landing page in between. It's really that simple. It's not a lot of work. If I were to show you guys what Google Sites looks like, it's kind of like this. This is a simple template inside Google Sites. You can add more and 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 more to it to make a big website page. And you put your affiliate link in here, and you're set. And this is free to use and free to make a landing page. You just need to have a landing page, okay, for what you're doing. Now, I did have a video I shared. You can go find it. If you go binge watch all my videos, you'll see I show you inside ClickFunnels how you can do a redirect funnel. I'm one of the only people in the world who's ever come up with the concept of it, and I use it all the time. It's where you can do a landing page without doing a landing page, and in 1 second it redirects to your affiliate offer. Okay, it's very powerful stuff. You can go binge watch my videos to figure that out. Let's go back here to Tinder. Okay, here we are. You just want to post a bunch of posts and say, hey, you have a chance to win this. You have a chance to win this. You put an image and then you put the text, and then you tell people share it with their friends if they want to have a higher chance of winning. Then you link to the landing page, and then you're set. Then you can run paid ads to boost it if you want to, or you can go and reach out to people. You can DM people. You can comment on other people's tweets, and then you can also follow and follow people and get attention and bring people over to your page, and they can check out all the freaking giveaways and sweepstakes you're promoting. This is just another free method you can leverage to make money with sweepstakes, guys. And this monkey is really enjoying this video so far. If you're enjoying this video so far, put on your shades, and let's keep going. And this chick is cheering us on here. They're cheering you on here, so you can go make some money online. There you go, you got some support. Okay, let's keep going. So TikTok. TikTok is a huge platform here. As you can see, every time we refresh, there's a new freaking feed. I mean, there's so much content on TikTok, it doesn't make sense. There's probably more by like 1 billion times more on YouTube. But at the end of the day, TikTok, YouTube, all these platforms, you guys can leverage. You can make shorts content, and basically it has a higher chance of getting pushed out there compared to longer form content on YouTube in a way. Longer form content on YouTube will make you more money and get you more conversions, but you have a lot of higher chances of going viral leveraging TikTok. So you can make content on TikTok. There's a lot of routes you can take here. You can make your own content, you can repost content, you can edit up content, you can do stitches, you can do duets, and you could straight up just crush it. And you just post your content, and then you say in the description of your video, you say if you guys want a chance to win whatever offer you're promoting, a PayPal gift card or something, and then people go check out your bio link over on your page. Okay, they click here, and then they go click, boom, if there was a website there. And then they go, and then you get some money. Okay, you make money. Because a percentage will always convert, a percentage will always buy. You could enter directly into your niche and just talk about giveaways. That's a really good idea for you. Just enter into like the sweepstake niche and giveaway niche and just talk about how people can win giveaways, and do that all the time for your content. And tell people in every single video, if you guys like and comment and follow us, you have a higher chance of winning, whatever it is. And then you say go enter to win over on our link, or over at our link in our bio, okay? And you just keep it simple and say that. And you say that again and again and again, and you find ways you can make better and better content. I recommend do stitch content, where you kind of take a very viral video and use a piece of it to grab attention in the beginning, and then you give your message of, hey, you guys have a chance to win a giveaway. Just go over to the bio and click the link, you have a chance to win, okay? But you also tell people to engage with the content. Oh my gosh, hopefully this is not too much information like the wind in this dog's face. Okay, so Pinterest is a very powerful platform. You can essentially put your landing page link in a bunch of posts and pins that you add to Pinterest platform, and you can put your link there. People click your pin, and then you make money. Now, if you boost any of your best pins, they can get repinned and repinned and repinned and put out there onto Pinterest like crazy. And you can get a bunch of people clicking your affiliate link. But you have to be consistent, you have to add a lot of content. But that's one of the best ways for sure to crush it with Pinterest. Let's keep going. Okay, now hopefully your weekend's going to be fantastic, but when you reach Monday, guys, I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to have a great weekend and Monday and week, unlike this person hitting the Monday sign. I want you guys to have a happy, happy birthday and not freaking burn your eyelash. Okay, anyway, let's keep going. Thank you so much for watching Learning Machines. Go binge watch a bunch of other videos over on this Learning Machine channel here, and peace out, Learning Machines.